junior ranks.
Sana naman, di ba? Although we were questioning si Nike Manaloto kung 14 under ba talaga kanina.
Although these two guys who made that last in their seniors team, no?
Talagang very potent weapon itong dalawang to. Answering on the other end naman is para sa ICC Blue Hawks. To the corner they go. 3 on the way. Way short, but Volante there to clean it up.
Doing what?
Short. Triste. Gandang hanap to Amida. Ito yung manaring end one.
Good.
Take another look. Composure from Do William. Amida giving us the move brought to us out natin dito, even for the coaches.
And having worked with Paul Vincent de la Cruz sa MPBL for 1 year, talking about when it comes to basketball IQ, no? Also, hindi rin biro to. One of the best players to come out of Bulacan, played for Bulacan State University, even get in the MPBL then a few years back. So, he knows what he's talking about in terms of coaching.
And pag-coach, a 3-on-2. Drops it off. Triste short stab. Gets it to fall.
Nakikita mo yung familiar na.
Natividad. Almost turns it over. Volante for 3. Gets another. Joshua Volante. Jumper is short there para kay Pardon Solan. San Jose. Tatakbo na naman. The no look from Volante. Castillo with a finish.
Although yung Fox.
Usher. He gets blocked that time. Back with the final minute and 19 dito sa ating first period. Liwanag with a steal and the bucket. Short para kay Arimado. He gets the ball back. Drops it off to Fox for the finish.
Good execution there of the pro hop by Arimado.
Couldn't finish underneath. Takbo tayo sa kabila. This is Padilla. So 10 seconds remaining, taking it all the way for 2.
Able to outrun to JY Titan.
Naitawid na nila dito. Triste bibit-bit. Familiar.
Ginagawa nyo yun dati. Successful ba? Well, tanong lang naman.
32-19, lead up to 13 now. Another steal here. As Arimado, isinubo na lang. 19. Take another look. Arimado. Man of Steel lang din ang usapan. Ito na nga, nakaagaw between Antipolo and ito ang San Jose winning over Binyan. Padilla penetrates. Gets another bucket. Daniel Padilla.
Buti na kung ring ang unforgiving, huwag yung coach.
Ayan. Volante, another 3. Knocks down his second of the ball game. Was that a pass to Volante? Di gagana. Usher with a putback.
Great effort. Medyo bata pa to.
Very athletic wing para dito sa Blue Hawks. Sa Padilla.
Pero nalihis at gusto na maging professional player. Bang bang, not for a gun but for some shooting and playing basketball. Russell Liwanag started playing at 7 years old and then...
But next foul will mean free throws para sa kanila. Padilla continues on his hot streak. Liwanag, binalik na rin dito despite those 3 fouls. Drops it off to Buen. We'll take another look. Just when you thought mawawala na ang bola, the presence of mind still. Liwanag connecting with Buen. Throw it away. A 4-on-1. Padilla gets another 2.
Padilla doing his best to keep it close para sa Antipolo JY Titans.
Intercepted this time by Liwanag. They still have 5 seconds. The reverse will fall. That time para kay Gunting. We also have Amida, their leading scorer, with them as Buen scores on another. Amida to Baliena. Another 3 for Volante. Mainit na mainit si Joshua dito. Liwanag, di pa inupo dito. Feeds Espinosa. Finishing through traffic.
Exactly.
Open in the corner. Way short was Ochoa. Or was that a pass? Set up job para kay Joshua Volante.
Could have been
By 9, 50-41. Take another look. Volante able to carve his way. Batangas ICC Blue Hawks against the Antipolo JY Titans. this D-League battle. Gunting fires for 3 and knocks it down. Baliena to Bolante. Ooh, look at that move.
Ano yung pectus na yan, no? Kontra, ano eh.
Tin, Buen, the heave to Padilla. Trying to chase it is Baliena. There's the layup. 3-pointers beginning not to fall here para San Jose Batangas. Getting to trickle in is Daniel Padilla. Just 8 to shoot now para sa mga nakaputi. Castillo, that's a tough shot. Still able to finish over Buen. Okay. Challenges Vergara. TP hit. Finishes off the window. Dowie Triste.
Timely. Turnovers and assist. Bad shot.
Padilla. Look at that finish. Binitin pa.
San Jose, ang kanilang offensive rebound advantage against itong Antipolo.
Liwanag able to find Daniel Padilla for his 25th point. A 4-0 run para sa JY Titans na looking to add to that. Another steal para sa kanila. Espinosa flies through the lane. The handle unable to get that shot off was Ochoa. Padilla will fire for 3. Gets another conversion. Daniel Padilla nag-aapoy.
Feeling his oats here to si Daniel Padilla.
Punta. Do. Ginawa siyang asintahan doon ni Daniel Padilla and that Liwanag for 3. That's short. Nice save para kay Espinosa. Recovered by Hugo. Ano naman yung hustle points na yun?
Keeping his left foot on the ground.
Rimado. Mahanap ng puwang. Gets the layup to go.
Good finish.
Ilya. He gets the ball back. Feeds Amida off the window for 2.
The young guns of San Jose.
Look at that Baliena feed. Yeah, Amida. We got 11 here. Wanag. Able to find an opening. Di pa. Binulsa pa yung bola, Coach.
Samboy Lin.
Yan. Parehong baon pa rin naman. Ayan na naman! Russell Liwanag!
Very athletic finish.
Now Liwanag. Shot clock is down to 5. Liwanag sidestepping his way through for another bucket. Nagkamusta. They will run it para sa San Jose. As Bolante with him. What move. Joshua Bolante make that 23 now. Stolen away by Antipolo. Takbo tayo sa kabila. Liwanag to Espinosa. But I wanted the slam, but look at that play. Flying through once again is JC Espinosa. Pagbitaw pa lang yan, no? Second one will rattle out. So no timeouts can be called. They go to Padilla. Goes behind the back, through the middle. Hangs time. Missing short.
That was a sorry miss there. Given a huge opportunity here, lalo na with that miss.
To get it to Liwanag. 2 seconds. The ball deflected as time will run out. As San Jose Batangas will hold on for this 1-point victory, 76-75.